Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Azure Functions for ETL microservices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing Azure Functions for ETL microservices, first, ensure you have a valid Azure account. Next, install the Azure Functions core tools on your local development machine. You can do this by using npm, the Node.js package manager. Open your command line interface and type npm install g Azure Functions core tools at 3 unsafe perm true. This command installs version 3 of the Azure Functions core tools globally. After installation, verify by checking the version with func version. Ensure you have Visual Studio Code installed as it provides a rich development environment. If you haven't installed Visual Studio Code, download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Next, open Visual Studio Code and install the Azure Functions extension. You can find this in the extensions marketplace within Visual Studio Code by searching for Azure Functions. Once installed, in the Azure panel, sign in to your Azure account by clicking on Sign In. Now it's time to create a new Azure Functions project. In the command palette, type Azure Functions, create new project and select it. Choose a folder for your project, and then select a language for your function. For ETL microservices, C# or Python is commonly used. After selecting your language, the next prompt will ask you to choose a template for your first function. Select HTTP trigger as this will allow you to accept data for processing. You will be prompted to name your new function, give it a descriptive name relevant to your ETL process. The next step asks for authorization level, select function to secure your endpoint. After setting up your function, it's time to test it locally. Run func start in the terminal to launch your function app. You should see a local URL. You can test this with any HTTP client like Postman or curl. Once you've confirmed that your function is working as expected, it's time to deploy it to Azure. In Visual Studio Code, navigate back to the Azure panel. Right-click on your newly created function and select Deploy to Function App. Follow the prompts to create a new function app or select an existing one. After deployment, you will receive a confirmation that your function has been successfully uploaded to Azure. You can now monitor and manage your function through the Azure portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.